Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this Bee Shard Sword version in Grow a Garden Game of Roblox PCB event update part 4. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, if you want to get Bee Shard, you need to join this event, the Wasp Dungeon event. This is new event in Grow a Garden. And I got this sword Bee Shard when I reach 30 waves. So if you want to obtain it, at least you need to reach 30 waves, more than 30 waves. And then I'm going to show you guys the ability of this sword Bee Shard. I've already applied it to one of my bees right here. This one, let me wait for my bee to go back to the nest. Okay, this is the Bee Sword Enchantment. It can give your bee more plus 200% damage and plus 30% crit. Oh, it's so powerful. And okay guys, that's all about the sword Bee Shard in Garden Game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.